This video is going to show you how to customize an item on Spreadshirt. I think our first one is going to be mugs. If you start out with alanfunstuff.com, you can click the link for the Spreadshirt and you'll get some of my designs. A great way to practice and learn how to do this. I'm going to pick Have You Kissed Your Computer Today? And then we're going to look down here and just grab this mug right here. Now, I'm relatively happy with that mug, but I'm doing it for a friend, and I'm thinking it needs a name. So if you come down to this little pencil right here near the bottom center of the screen and click Customize, and then we can come up and click Customize again. And we wait a little bit for their apps to load. And we get this nice big version to work on. And you can grab the image you're working with and move it around. You can grab this corner and resize it. And most importantly, since we'd like to add some text, we can click on text. And we're going to say that our friend's name is Mark Smith. Yeah. Don't actually know a Mark Smith. I know a lot of Marks though. And we can take and move this down, something like that. And as you see here, we have some options, including the type font. In this case, it's just plain old Arial. Arial's boring. We've got a computer that already has some liquid crystal display style stuff. So let's just have a look down here and see if we can't find something a little more interesting. Let's come down a little further. Ooh, that looks totally computery. Very computery. I like that one. Now you use this little back arrow and we go back to being able to adjust our fonts and things. Mark's not a bad size right now. We can make him bigger or smaller. But what's more interesting is we've just got the flat version of his name and we have this nice curved text. Now, up to you. The flat version actually doesn't look too bad. We could definitely put it down like that and make it a little bigger and make a very nice cup. But right down here above the Get Price button on the right hand side, we have bend text. So we can bend the text. We can bend the text in a positive curve, or we can flip this the other way around and pull it to the left. And it is a little slow, but it will catch up with you. Now, if we'd like to be similar to that, we can try and make the circle very similar to the circle we have in the original text. And we can put it up in like this, then play with that bend a little bit until it kind of matches a little bit, as close as we can. So now Mark Smith kind of goes with that circle. And if we want, we can put this up right in there like that. By the way, the cute little red line tells you when you're centered, the vertical red line. So now we have it nice and centered and ready to put something in. And let's say at this point we want to get a price tag on this. You can click Get Price and change the quantity right up here at the top to 1. Oops, I accidentally said 2. Wishful thinking. To 1. And there we go, $17.99 with the modifications and everything on it. Obviously at this point you could add it to your cart. But you got up here, you started looking at it and you thought maybe you want a different type of cup. Up on the left hand side there's options of designs, text, products, and even uploading your own images. So let's go back to products. And let's check under accessories where cups are. And come down here and say, what cup do we want? Ooh, this one's neat, like the contrast thing. The camper mug actually looks kind of cool too, and a few of the other ones. But I kind of like this contrast one here. And it's available in red. Oh, that looks good. So let's select that. And look, now, at the moment, the picture's on the front of the cup. If you look down towards the bottom under the cup, you have your choice of left and right. If he's a right-handed person, drinks with his right hand, if you put it on the left and you drag that little icon, oops, over there, we definitely want to make sure we get our mark over there too. There we go. Let's get our mark over there. No, come on. There we go. And pull that down. Get that back where it belongs. Now, if he drinks with the right hand, this will be facing the people. And if you wanted on someone with the left hand to face the people, you put it on the right side of the mug. Now, I still want the Mark Smith a little bigger, so we can give it a couple more clicks. And we can make sure it's nicely recentered. And maybe we want it moved up a little tighter. Nah, that doesn't look good. Come down just a little. There we go. That's not a bad looking mug right there. Now we've put it on a new item, and we can get price. And just select one, and of course it already tells us it's $18.99. This is a great way to customize for someone special to you, get them exactly what they want. And that's pretty much the whole thing for simple customization on this.